Before entering the rendering environment, add an appearance from the Modify dropdown. For the entire body, keep the preset on Body's components. If you want to apply the appearance to specific faces, switch the preset to Faces. Once in the Fusion rendering environment, use the view cube to position the camera. In Environment Settings, change from Solid Color to Environment and adjust your environment's position. This is key for refining lighting and shadows. Select your desired width and height, then start the render. Your final image will be available for download in the rendering gallery, with options for different file formats and transparent backgrounds. That's the final lesson for this project. Check out the playlist for more Fusion tips. Thanks and goodbye.